Good morning everyone. This is R. Ashmita, a second year BSc Agriculture student from J batch of Professor Jaishankar, Telangana Agriculture University. As a part of agronomy subject under crop production technology, Kharif crops, I have raised castor crop in our field under the guidance of our respected course in charge, Dr. G. Nagendra sir. In this video, I am going to tell you the whole details and crop cultivation practices, management practices and operations regarding the weeds, nutrients and water management, regarding the whole details from sowing to harvest of the crop. Coming to the details of the crop name is Castor. The scientific name is Ricinus communis, belongs to the family Euphorbiaceae. It has been originated from Ethiopia, Mediterranean, West Africa. Regarding the morphological characters of the crop, this is specifically an oilseed crop. It is grown for its oilseed and in Telugu it is known as Amudam. And coming to the morphological characters, you can see the stem, color of the stem is pinkish with a waxy coating, and it has leaves, simple palmately lobed leaves, and this inflorescence is called terminal-like cyme or raceme, which is 10 to 40 centimeters in height, and it has a well-developed taproot system. For land preparation, the soil is thoroughly plowed, followed by harrowing, leveling, to obtain a fine and uniform seed bed suitable for crop growth. The recommended seed rate for castor crop is 8 to 10 kg per hectare with an optimum spacing of 120 into 90 centimeters. But before sowing, the seed is treated with carbendazim with a dosage of 2 to 3 grams per kg of seed to prevent any early pest attacks or contaminations. And next, thinning and gap filling is followed within 10 to 15 days after sowing. This ensures an optimum plant population and a good plant churn. Thank you.
I'm Tanmay from J batch, ID number Kala 2024-301, and I'll be continuing this video from nutrient management. The fertilizer application recommended for this castor crop is 45:15:15 kg per hectare, and sulfur is the essential nutrient for this castor as it increases the oil content and increases yield of this crop. So the fertilization schedule for this castor is during basal dose, it should be applied with 100% of phosphorus and potassium along with 50% of nitrogen, and in case of top dressing, 50% of nitrogen should be applied. Nitrogen deficiency causes yellowing of older leaves, and phosphorus deficiency causes poor root growth and purpling of leaves. Deficiency causes scorching at leaf margins. The total water requirement for this castor crop is around 500 to 700 mm, which is very less. Critical stages of irrigation are germination stage, flowering stage along with the grain and pod formation stage. The critical weed completion period in this castor is from 20 to 60 days after sowing. Weed management was carried out through hand weeding and herbicides. Common symptoms observed in this crop include leaf fading, sucking injury and curling symptoms. To manage these pests and diseases, suitable insecticides and fungicides were sprayed at recommended dosages. The important maturity symptoms observed before harvesting were yellowing and drying of leaves, drying of stem. Castor crops are primarily vulnerable to defoliators, sap-sucking insects. Key pests include castor semilooper, which severely defoliates plants, the shoot and capsule borer, and sucking pests like leaf hoppers and whiteflies that cause leaf curling and stunt growth. So the biometric observations required are plant height, spike length, number of capsules and number of spikes per plant, and leaf area index of top, middle and bottom leaves.
Harvest of this crop is done at various pickings, like similar to cotton.
This field experiment helped us to learn more about the castor crop, and yeah, that's it.
Thank you.